Hello to the awesome people at Chainlink. My name is Zach, and I will be presenting our project Aquila that we've been working on the past month for the hackathon. What is Aquila? Aquila is parametric forest fire insurance using Chainlink oracles. It uses satellite data of forest fires and compares them against insured properties, and then automatically pays out claims based on the real world events. It uses Chainlink in order to get the external data on chain. Some differences in the demo versus production product. Right now it's just point versus polygon, but we also have the polygon versus polygon working. The production will be polygon versus polygon, and you'd also need to verify the credentials of policy buyers and ideally have multiple data sources for decentralization, and would also need a risk model provider for calculating premiums. And it would also be running on multiple Chainlink nodes. For Morales, we push the coordinates to Morales, and then that gets passed into the buy policy function. We didn't have a API, only the file from the government website, so we needed to build a custom API. So we used AWS for that. First, we convert the shape file to GeoJSON, and then we do a projection to fix up the coordinate system. When it processes the file, it stores it in a AWS S3 bucket, and that is the table data source for that table is the data source for lookup when you call the API. So that's what it looks like when it's projected into GeoJSON. This is making a call through Postman. You submit the coordinates of wherever, and then it will return the JSON structure object of the fire if it's within a fire, and if it's not, it will just return none. On the Chainlink node side, we created a bridge to the API and then called the bridge through our job. Inside the job, we specify the parameters we want to return. And so I will show you a demo right now. First, you connect your wallet, obviously. And then next step is to enter a set of coordinates. And then once the coordinates have been sent, you can, this is the step where we would have a premium calculation, not complete yet, and then after the premium's calculated, it has the dates of what you're insured for, and then you can confirm and pay. So I'll just start this transaction, and it'll probably take 10 minutes to go through because Coven's being super slow. It ran through the Chainlink job and it completed. It got the data from the API, and then it parsed the value that we wanted to. And then that's just the data in hex format, I believe. And then create a transaction back to the contract. So the contract is here. We can see that before we created it, the paid status was set to 0, which means that has not been paid out yet. But if we update this, what should happen is it will change to 1, as you can see, which means that the contract detected that the point was within a polygon of a fire. So therefore it created a claim for it. So I'll dive into the remix code quickly. It's just a simple insurance contract, nothing